Alrighty, so today we are going to talk about adding and mixed numbers. Remember, you must have, this is very important, like denominators. Okay, so if you're not sure how to find the common denominator, you can take your two denominators, your 2 and your 8, and you can make little lists counting by to see if when you have a match. And you can see right here that the 8s are a match. So that's going to be my new denominator. So now we're going to rewrite these fractions. Excuse me. And 8 is our new denominator. Now remember, if you change the denominator, you have to change the numerator. So you go from 2 to 8, you multiply by 4. And this one didn't change, so we're multiplying by 1. So now you have your new fractions. So now we're just going to add them up. And then don't forget the whole numbers. Believe it or not, that's very important, and people forget all the time. So there is your answer to the first question. All right, let's look at number 2. Again, what's the common denominator? Many of you had said 6. So we're going to multiply by 1, multiplying by 2. So we're going to add them up. So that's 7, 6. Don't forget your whole numbers. 18. Now many of you will notice right here we have an improper fraction. That is not allowed. So what we're going to have to do is go off to the side and just do a little mini division problem. So 6 will go into 7 once. You'll have 1 left over, so that is 1 and 1 6. But now what you have to do is combine the 1 and the 18. Combine those whole numbers. So that's going to be 19 and 1 6. All right. So, oops, let's see. Let me get this up here. All right, so let's look at this one. What's the common denominator? 8. So we're going to multiply by 2. So that's 6. Sorry, I forgot to change colors. So that's 11 eighths, 7 and 11 eighths. Again, you have that improper fraction. So we're going to divide. So that's 1 and 3 eighths. Remember, you have to combine the whole numbers. So 1 and 7, that's 8 and 3 eighths. All right, and then our last one. So the common denominator is 10. Multiply the first fractions by 5. The second fractions by 2. So that is 9 tenths. And again, don't forget the whole numbers. And that is adding mixed numbers.